Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. Christmas, proof of God's perfect love. Shalom, good evening keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 15th of December 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? Wow, it's already in the third week of this month, which is 2 weeks left to end this year 2025. Okay, but before we continue to the topic tonight, we will say hi to Miss Drita. Hi Miss Drita, how are you?
Hi, Miss Audrey. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
How are you? So, how's your weekend?
Well,
Where were you?
I was in Cirebon, of course.
Oh, okay.
Before that, suddenly we are already on December 15, Miss Audrey.
Yeah.
It's a half of the month.
Yes.
16 days more, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we finished 2025. Wow.
Wow. Do you feel that this year it goes so fast?
Yeah, very fast.
Yeah.
With so many new things,
Yeah.
many adventurous things, many unexpected things.
Yeah.
So many things.
Yeah.
Well, okay. So my weekend, actually, I spent 2 nights in Jakarta.
Oh, okay.
The first one was going to the reunion with the friends when we were in Balikpapan.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we were in Balikpapan maybe for 4 years. So
Your friends, they already in Jakarta.
Yeah.
All of them.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, because we moved first from
Oh, okay.
Balikpapan to Cirebon, and
Mhm.
then maybe 6 months later all of them moved to Jakarta,
okay.
and then most of them they stay now in one place in BSD.
Mhm.
So we had a gathering, in BSD.
Mhm.
So Miss Audrey, because we were together when our kids were small,
Yeah.
so it felt like they are the family.
Mhm.
Kita familiar seperti bukan dengan siapa-siapa
Yeah.
gitu. It is different with the friends when we were in Cirebon. When we came to Cirebon,
Mhm.
we were not that close. But
Okay.
with the friends from Kalimantan, we are very close. So it was fun. And then the day after that, I joined the Christmas celebration.
Mhm.
It was for the ladies
Mhm.
of one of the company.
Mhm.
And then the thing is that we needed to wear the kebaya lawasan
Wow. Okay.
and also kain batik. Oh my goodness. So I said, aku pakai baju kebaya, rambut purbaya. Gak cocok banget ya. But it's okay. I also met my friends there.
Mhm.
And they were also my good friends.
Okay.
They are the friends that I actually mereka itu semuanya yang saya bibit actually, supaya
I
menjadi
see.
pengganti saya.
Yeah, yeah.
Jadi semakin kesini rupanya mereka semakin keren banget bikin acaranya gitu ya. Mereka makin solid, dan I was very thankful that I chose the right persons. I chose the right people for the right activity.
Yeah.
At the right moment at that time, 3 years ago, and then they did so well. They did so well. And then I came back to Cirebon, and then last Saturday actually, Miss Audrey, I visited the Pekan Kebudayaan daerah Jawa Barat.
Wow.
You know where? It was in front of Keraton Kesepuhan.
Ah,
There is
okay.
alun-alun, and it was the first time I knew that the name of there is another alun-alun than alun-alun Kejaksan.
Okay.
All I
see.
knew before it was only alun-alun in Kejaksan, right? Now I know that there is alun-alun Sangkala Buana.
The name is
Sangkala Buana, right in front of the Keraton Kasepuhan. So itu persis seperti ada bata-bata merah, persis gapuranya, ada tempat stage-nya juga seperti itu. I came there around 2 o'clock,
Okay.
and it was very, very, very hot. Very hot. Why I visited at that hour? because I knew after that there would be raining.
Yeah.
But unluckily there was no performance at that time.
Ah, okay.
It was break time,
Mm-mm.
and also the tenants who were in the tents,
Mm-mm.
di tenda-tenda putih gitu ya. What did they sell? What did they sell? All of them were food.
Ah, okay.
So where is the kebudayaan?
Yeah.
So I checked in Instagram looking for the rundown. So the rundown actually the full one was on Sunday,
Mm-mm.
from Sunday morning
Mm-mm.
until Sunday after late afternoon.
Mm-mm.
Okay then, so I promised myself to come again. So after I came back to my store after going to the Kasepuhan, the rain fell so hard. Sebenarnya kasihan juga ya memikirkan mereka, karena at that time I saw so many dancers with all the ornaments dengan kostumnya itu ya. Apakah mereka menari saat hujan? So I was thinking like that. Kesian banget gitu ya. Itu sampai malam hujan terus. That's why di kabupaten banjir ya hari-hari ini gitu ya. And then on Sunday I went back again around 3 o'clock. You know what happened, Miss Audrey? The stage were already clean. The tent already closed. All the tent closed. Nobody's there.
Wah.
So how about the rundown? Bagaimana ini rundownnya? So nggak ada apa-apa lagi. Bahkan tenda yang untuk penonton segitu panjangnya dengan segitu banyak kursinya itu udah nggak ada.
Oh, benar-benar sudah diberesin.
Udah diberesin. Tinggal tenda-tenda tertutup aja. Dalamnya mungkin udah nggak ada barangnya juga kali ya gitu ya. Wow. Apakah saya yang terlambat ataukah semua dipercepat sehingga supaya tidak kena hujan sore-sore? Barangkali ya, I didn't know. So but that's okay. So I just took some pictures there. Walaupun semua umbul-umbul itu udah nggak ada semua. So I felt lucky that on Saturday I took so many pictures. So and then that is that, Miss Audrey. And yesterday on December 14, it was our anniversary.
Okay. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. So since we were only the two of us, my husband and I at home, so we didn't celebrate anything. And then I said, how about ice cream? I said, no, we just ate mikriting. So no more carbo or sweet things coming in. Okay then, so you know what, Miss Audrey, after we were coming back from eating, so I had a siesta, saya tidur siang.
Finally.
Finally ya bisa tidur siang ya. Tapi ya itu as the result I couldn't sleep at night. Itu ya kayak seperti begitu. Mungkin karena usia ya, Miss Audrey ya. Jadi kalau tidur siang pasti malamnya susah tidur seperti itu.
Karena mungkin udah seger gitu loh ya.
Iya, tetapi kalau siang-siang itu kadang nggak bisa tahan untuk nggak tidur. Gitu. Usually my critical time, the critical hour is at 5 PM. Jam 5 sore itu kritis banget gitu ya.
Benar-benar ngerasa ngantuk
gitu. Sekali ya. Usually saya berolahraga. Olahraga di situ supaya nggak ngantuk ya, supaya nanti malamnya bisa tidur. Something like that, Miss Audrey. So that is my weekend, which actually I really wanted to have a good one by visiting the Pekan Kebudayaan daerah Jawa Barat. But it was really different from the one in festival in Pelabuhan sometimes ago. It was really different, very different. But maybe if I came earlier yesterday, I could see all the dances. Karena begitu sampai itu orang-orang yang pakai kostum itu udah naik mobil, udah pada mau pulang, dan itu cantik-cantik semuanya, seragam gitu ya. Wah sayang ya, kurang cepat datangnya. Tapi it's okay lah, semoga nanti ada lagi festival lagi yang berikutnya. Kemudian last night I also went to alun-alun Kejaksan, but since it was very full, so I couldn't park my car, so I just went home. You know, Miss Audrey, there was a pemutaran film there.
Okay.
It's very funny, you know. Once you scroll something about Cirebon
Mm-mm.
in Instagram, everything about Cirebon
Yeah, yeah.
will come out
Mm-mm.
from all accounts.
Mm-mm.
Pokoknya akun-akun yang mengenai Cirebon pasti akan muncul
Iya,
gitu.
betul.
And then I just knew, oh ada acara ini, ada acara ini. Jadi now I understand kenapa di sana ada rame, oh ternyata ada acara gitu. Kenapa ada rame, oh ternyata ada acara. Dan acara itu unik-unik ya. Ada pemutaran film, ada apa lagi ya kemarin ya, macam-macam deh gitu ya. Jadi kalau nggak begitu tuh nggak tahu juga ada
Iya,
apa
iya.
di Cirebon gitu ya. Kalau kita nggak, karena kan juga nggak langganan koran Cirebon.
Iya.
Sekarang udah gak langganan koran lagi gitu ya. So that is how I spend my weekend, Miss Audrey.
Mhm.
How about you?
Okay, my weekend, I had a Christmas, little Christmas party with
Oh.
my friends.
Ah,
5 of us,
Mhm.
and then we cross gift present,
Oh, okay, okay.
Christmas gift,
Mhm.
and then actually it's not like cross kado seperti biasa, tapi we have each of us had to prepare 5
Things.
gifts,
Okay,
yeah,
what gift?
with the same thing.
Uh-huh.
So when we give it to another,
Uh.
4 of them, we also have one, the
Oh,
same
okay,
one.
okay.
So
Based on the color or based on the what? Usually.
no, the color, but it's up to us actually.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The important thing, we have to prepare 5,
Okay.
each of us, and then after that we just hang out and
Mhm.
then eat and then take a picture
Uh-huh.
and also record. We made like the elapsed time
Oh.
video.
Oh, okay.
And then and then after around 2 hours,
Mhm.
we moved to another place.
Oh. It's not
Yeah.
enough, yeah, in one place.
Not enough. And it was actually a really fun time.
Mhm.
Yeah, because we rarely hang out
Oh,
for
okay.
that long.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, and we took a lot of pictures.
Oh, okay. Was it an outside restaurant or
We
outdoor restaurant? I
no,
mean?
not the outdoor, but actually it has the outdoor.
Oh,
Yeah, but it's a cafe, I
Uh-huh.
think. Yeah.
oh, okay. So you had a nice time with your friends.
Yeah.
right? So I can imagine you had the present in one bag and then you put in the table
Yeah.
and everyone grab it like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. So I saw so many times in the Instagram.
Yeah.
It was really fun, you know.
Yeah. Actually, at first we just humbimba
Oh, okay.
and then hoovers.
Oh, okay.
And then yeah, just put from the bag,
Mhm.
and then we just like, actually it's the same thing actually.
Oh, iya, takut cepet-cepetan ya.
Takut cepet-cepetan, tutup aja. Itu serunya.
Oh iya, betul.
Yeah, so it was my weekend, but it's different.
Mhm.
Yeah, because I think we went from 12 p.m. until around 7 p.m.
Wow.
Yeah.
But nobody said, "Where is mommy?" No, nobody.
No, because of course, my children
Uh-huh.
also, they prepared for the 2 nights Christmas
okay.
celebration.
Oh, yeah.
So they just got home around 10, I think.
Oh,
10
okay.
p.m.
Oh.
So they didn't look after mom. And also I already told them that
Uh-huh.
Mommy will have a Christmas party with friends.
Oh, okay. Are you also going to join the tonight celebration?
I don't know. I'm not sure because I have to prepare the report for tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And also I have to prepare for the some because school has to give like send to some people
Mhm.
for Christmas
Oh.
gift also.
Mhm,
So yeah, maybe after I finish the report
Mhm.
thing, I have to go to shop for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the scoring, you also get the scores from other teachers
Mm-mm.
for your
But
students.
they already input because
it's-
they
oh,
input it by themselves.
in the computer.
Yeah,
So you can see.
yeah.
So every computer
It's already
is.
linked
I see.
to another. Yeah, so
Tidak repot lagi ya.
iya nggak terlalu repot lagi sih sebenarnya. Cuma ya still ya home teacher itu still have the most.
Yeah. So you need to print them.
Yeah, I need to print them. Mm-mm. And also last night I had to like wrote the comment
Oh yeah,
for
yeah.
each
For
of
each
them.
student.
Yeah, but it's okay because it's already all already like digitalized. So
Oh yeah.
yeah, so yeah, but still have to like check for the attendance.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
something
That's
like that. So yeah, still have a lot of things to do.
I can imagine, Miss Audrey, because last week I also made a certificate for the
Yeah.
extracurricular
Mm-mm.
activity in one school.
Mm-mm.
They ask for the certificate.
Mm-mm.
They ask for the score:
Okay.
A, B plus, B minus. Well, I didn't dare to give B minus.
Yeah.
So it's only A and B plus.
Mm-mm.
Easier for me because I also needed to make the comments
Okay.
for each student.
Yeah.
So I asked my assistant, gimana ini anak gitu ya.
Mm-mm.
It should be like that. So if it is if they got A, it
Mm-mm.
means they were never absent.
Okay.
B plus, it means they were absent for once or twice.
Okay.
Actually, it didn't have anything to do with their ability.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
karena it is not something to score actually,
Yeah.
the craft things, but something to enjoy.
Yeah.
So that's why I only give A and B plus in their certificate and my comments on that.
There is no B.
There is B, but
Oh,
I
B
didn't
or-
give B.
okay.
Only A and B plus.
Okay.
Because I didn't know what to say for B.
Yeah.
A and B plus, that's all. If it is B, I need to think again.
Yeah.
If it is B minus, I need to think again. So four kinds of comments.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, no, I cannot do that. Two are already enough.
Yeah. Yeah, because you have to give the reason, yeah.
Reason.
The comments for each
Mhm.
of them.
The reason that makes sense. Because, Miss Audrey, we cannot judge.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
not a competition. It is a process, right?
Yeah.
So all I need to see is the progress from the first time until the end, coming in that semester from August to December. That is what we grade
Yeah.
it, right? Not the absence actually, not that kind of things, but whether they can do it themselves or they need the help from from the tutors.
Yeah.
So that is how I graded them actually. Okay, so that is about the weekend.
Yeah, okay, Keluarga Gracia. That's all about our weekend. And before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back.
Ini yang ada panah-panahnya nggak usah dibaca ya, Mas Audrey. Ini cuman sebagai itu
Okay.
aja bahwa kita bicara itu gitu.
Okay. Back again with us in English Time program. After we talk about our weekend, now we will talk about the trending. Okay, please, Miss Dita.
Okay, what is trending is about the Christmas carols actually this is in Jakarta, Miss Audrey,
Yeah.
and also the Light Festival. So the Christmas carols will be already from
Started, yeah, from
December 11 until
11.
December 23rd. And then the Light Festival will be 3 days, starting
Mhm.
from December 23rd until December 25th.
Yeah.
So it was all in Jakarta. Why we talked about it? Because we are going to talk that will be coming in Cirebon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there's something about December in Jakarta that feels different, even before we can explain it clearly, as if the city itself is trying to speak a little more softly.
Yes, it's not a dramatic change, not something that demands attention, but more like a quiet shift in the air, where familiar streets begin to feel slightly more human.
Even places we usually associate with urgency and movement start to feel different.
Especially Bundaran HI in Jakarta, that is a place we know so well as a symbol of motion, deadlines, and constant flow.
But over the past few days, something unexpected has happened there.
Yes, the Christmas Carol Colossal, where hundreds of voices gather in an open public space, not to perform for applause, but simply to sing together.
And what makes it special is not just the number of people,
But the timing, that is late afternoon, when the day is heavy, when people are tired, when thoughts are full.
and then in the middle of all that, the singing begins.
And suddenly, the city doesn't feel like it is rushing forward anymore. It feels like it is listening.
What stays with me most is how people respond in those moments.
Yes, people don't immediately reach for their phones. They don't rush past. They pause.
Some listen from the sidewalk.
Some from inside their cars.
Some just stand there quietly, letting the sound fill the space.
And it reminds us that this isn't about musical perfection. It's about presence, about sharing a moment with strangers without needing anything in return.
When the singing ends, though, the experience doesn't disappear.
It gently transforms,
The sky grows darker.
and the city slowly lights up.
This is where people often mention the idea behind the Jakarta Light Festival, not as a December schedule, but as a reminder of how light can change atmosphere.
Light doesn't demand attention the way noise does. It invites us to look, to slow down, to notice what is already there.
Music touches the ears,
Light touches the eyes.
and together they soften the way we experience the city.
But Christmas isn't only about where we are, it is also about who we carry in our thoughts.
And this season, our hearts also travel and go far beyond Cirebon, to our brother and sisters in Sumatra Utara.
Yeah, that is a region that has gone through a difficult period, where after the flood waters receded, what remained was the hard, quiet work of beginning again.
Cleaning homes, saving what could be saved, and gently letting go of what could not.
Christmas arrives there not with everything perfectly restored, but right in the middle of rebuilding and in the middle of tired bodies and resilient hearts.
So, our hope this Christmas is simple and deeply sincere.
May strength return, not all at once but steadily.
May every cleaned floor and every repaired corner and wall become a sign of renewal, a sign of new beginnings. May home be refilled not just with furniture but with courage.
And may this Christmas remind everyone there that starting again to be recognized for what it truly is, not weakness but hope in action.
To those who are sweeping, washing, rebuilding, and healing, May this season bring rest for your hearts.
and the quiet assurance that you are not alone.
And maybe the most beautiful thing about Christmas warmth is that it never knows borders. It doesn't stay in one city or one moment or one event.
Yes, warmth has a way of traveling quietly through stories, through memories, through the way we carry a feeling with us when we leave a place.
So tonight, we hold a small hope that what we feel here doesn't stop in Jakarta.
That the songs sung in the middle of the city and the lights glowing along familiar streets can travel further than we expect.
We hope that same gentle Christmas atmosphere finds its way to Cirebon.
Yeah, a city with its own rhythm, its own stories, and quiet strength where Christmas may arrive in simpler forms but with the same depth of meaning.
Because Christmas isn't defined by how big the celebration looks.
But by how deeply people feel connected, remembered, and at peace.
If Jakarta can pause for a moment,
Then Cirebon can feel that pause too, in calmer and slower evenings, in warmer conversations, in hearts that feel less hurried.
if a city can sing together, then another city can listen and perhaps begin humming its own song. That's how warmth works.
It doesn't need permission, it doesn't need announcements, it simply arrives, quietly, sincerely.
And when it does, it changes the way a place feels.
Even nothing looks different on the surface. That is how this season works. Joy multiplies when it is shared.
Light doesn't fade when it spreads from Jakarta to Sumatra to Cirebon. Merry Christmas!
Okay.
Okay.
Even though it is still 10 more days,
Yeah.
Miss Audrey. So you still have time to
Yeah.
prepare for Christmas.
But it's already like Christmas vibes
Yeah, of
everywhere.
Because some churches already celebrated the Christmas, Miss Audrey.
Yeah.
And also for the kids also, they
Yeah.
already celebrated the Christmas.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I myself celebrated last week also, as
Okay,
I told
yeah.
you before. And you know, it was a fun one actually, yeah. Because as it is said here that people feel connected,
Mm-mm.
remembered, and at peace.
Mm-mm.
Why I felt remembered, Miss Audrey? Because I got the invitation.
Oh,
The
okay.
invitation is
Yeah, yeah.
Very personal
Mm-mm.
for me.
Mm-mm.
Not everyone will get that kind of invitation.
Mm-mm.
Because I was one of the pengurus there in the past, so I got the privilege for the
Yeah.
special invitation. So yes, I still feel connected
Mm-mm.
because of that celebration.
Yeah.
I think you also feel the same way, Miss Audrey.
Yeah.
Because maybe like the Christmas that you also celebrated with your friends, right? That you said
yeah.
that you never hang out for that quite long time, 7 hours.
Yeah.
So you feel the
Yeah.
connections more deeper, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that is that. So that is why we that the Christmas celebration in a simple way, but we feel connected.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
I hope the Christmas celebration, the warmth, it spreads from Jakarta to Sumatera Utara and also to Cirebon.
Yeah. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, that's about the trending. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Back again with us in English Time program. Okay, after we talk about the weekend and also about the trending, which is the Christmas carols and the Light Festival in Jakarta, now we'll talk about daily conversation, about how to answer or what to answer or also how to say it. Okay, please, Miss Vita.
Okay, so it is about how to say it. Tonight we are learning how English expresses hope. Because we were talking about hope, Miss Audrey,
Yeah.
in a gentle way, not loud, not demanding, just sincere.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 4 English expressions for hope. Okay, number one is using may
Mm-mm.
to express hope. One beautiful word we can often use in English to express hope is may. When we say may, we are offering a wish, not giving advice. For example, may strength return slowly but surely. May your days feel lighter. May your home be filled with peace. May you find rest after a long season.
Okay, number 2, softening hope with gentle words. Hope in English often sounds softer with words like slowly or in time. For example, may things improve little by little. The second example is may healing come in its own time.
Okay. And then number three is hope without pressure. English also avoids strong promises. Instead of saying everything will be okay, so we often say we hold hope that things will become better, or we believe better days are possible.
Okay, number 4, conditional hope. Sometimes hope sounds like this: if, then. For example, if we slow down, we may notice what truly matters. The second example is if we listen carefully, we may understand more.
Okay.
Okay, so tonight when you want to express hope in English, keep it simple and keep it gentle.
Yeah. And maybe say, may tomorrow feel a little kinder.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia, it's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye.